Are you ready to transform your body and boost your confidence in just 4 weeks? We've got 5 simple exercises that will help you kickstart your fitness journey. These exercises are designed to be effective, easy to follow, and can be done anywhere, so no excuses. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Let's get started on this journey together and make the next 4 weeks count. You've got this. The plank is a powerhouse exercise for building core strength. It targets your abs, shoulders, and back, helping to improve posture and prevent back pain. To perform a plank, get into a push-up position, bend your elbows to 90 degrees, and rest on your forearms. Ensure your body forms a straight line from head to heels. Start by holding for 30 seconds and gradually increase as you get stronger. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders, and your gaze slightly forward to keep the neck neutral. Consistency with planking will lead to noticeable improvements in your core strength and stability. Push-ups are a fundamental exercise that builds upper body strength and engages your core. They can be done anywhere, making them a versatile addition to your routine. Place your hands under your shoulders, tighten your core, and lower your body to the floor. Push back up, ensuring your body remains in a straight line. Try starting with sets of 5 to 10 and increase as you improve. The key to a good push-up is maintaining a straight line from your head to your heels. If regular push-ups are too challenging at first, start with modified push-ups on your knees. With time, you'll find push-ups becoming easier, and you'll be able to do more reps with better form. They're a staple exercise for a reason. They work. Squats are fantastic for strengthening your legs and glutes. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, lower yourself as if sitting back into a chair, and press back up through your heels. Make sure your knees don't extend past your toes to prevent strain. Focus on keeping your back straight and chest up to get the most out of this exercise. Squats are more than just a leg workout. They engage your core and back muscles as well. Incorporating squats into your routine can improve your athletic performance and daily functional movements. Consistency with squats will lead to stronger, more toned legs and a boost in overall fitness. The bird dog is an excellent exercise for core stability and balance. Begin on all fours, extend one arm and the opposite leg, and hold for a few seconds before switching sides. This movement engages your core and stabilizes your muscles, enhancing your overall strength. Ensure your movements are slow and controlled to maximize the benefits. Focus on maintaining a straight line from your extended hand to your extended foot. The bird dog is particularly beneficial for improving your posture and preventing lower back pain. It's a great addition to any workout routine, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. Consistency will lead to better balance, coordination, and a stronger core. The Glute Bridge targets your glutes and core, helping to reduce lower back pain and improve hip mobility. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the ground. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeeze your glutes, hold for a few seconds, then lower down. Make sure to keep your shoulders and upper back firmly on the ground. Start with sets of 10 to 15 reps and gradually increase as you get stronger. Incorporating the Glute Bridge into your routine can significantly improve your hip mobility and reduce the risk of lower back pain. Consistency with the Glute Bridge will lead to stronger, more toned glutes and a healthier lower back. Consistency is key. Stick with these exercises for 4 weeks, and you'll start to see and feel the difference. If you liked this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay strong, stay motivated, and remember, every step you take is a step towards a healthier, more empowered you.